Right, well, I'm here in Chiang Mai on what is probably the biggest weekend of the year, because there are two festivals that coincide on this particular few days, and they are Peng, which is the release of the lanterns into the sky, the bamboo with the paper lantern with the bamboo frame into the sky, and LOY, which is a different festival where they have just little boats with candles and incense sticks which are released onto the river. So the releasing of the Krathong onto the river is a thank you, a blessing to the water goddess. The candle pays respect to Buddha, and the incense, the 3 incense sticks, pay respects to the spirits. Peng, or the Festival of Light, is an ancient tradition honouring Buddha, and the releasing of the lanterns is said to bring good luck, and it offers prayers to deities, ancestors, and also the releasing of the lantern is releasing the negativity away. Swadika. These are beautiful. And these are all natural?
Yes.
Everything is natural, excellent. I'm going to pick one of these. This looks absolutely stunning. Can I take this one? This? All right, here's the beauty. So yeah, I wasn't sure about whether I was going to get involved with this, whether I just wanted to watch or whether I'll participate. But you know what, I was thinking about it, and this is a blessing to the water goddess, and I think that's something that I can really sort of get on board with, because you know, I'm very much into my diving, swimming, you know, and water is life, isn't it? So, you know, that's why I wanted to give blessing here. So this is for her. Okay, so I released my lantern. Fortunately, I have my camera set to time lapse, so you get a very short version of what felt like a very, not going to say spiritual, but very significant moment. I'm not going to do it again because I wasn't sure about doing it once, so I'm not going to do it twice. But I'm glad I did it and made prayer to the water goddess. So there are a few lanterns being released into the sky. It's sort of been confined to some sites outside of the city, but there are a few in the city. People doing their own thing. The Gopro is not really designed for catching it, but those few little dots in the sky there, they are beautiful lanterns being released, and now I can't show you it, but it is beautiful. In fact, the whole thing is beautiful. The festivities, the parade, the costumes, the lights, yes. It's just beautiful. Alright, so I'm down here at Peng Gate, which is kind of one of the hubs of the festivities. There's a lot of stuff going on down here. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of parades, there's light shows, there's festivities, and it's not so. Obviously, one of the festivals is sort of the Festival of Light. So there's a lot of light action. There's a lot of light lanterns. There's neon lights. So yeah, it's just a lot of fun. A lot of people around. A lot of entertainment. So yeah, it's a really, really nice evening's entertainment. I really hope you enjoyed watching the festivities with me. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, hit that notification button, share with all your friends, and I will see you in the next adventure.